Welcome to the tutorial video on atomic structure. And what we're talking about with this lab is what is an isotope and how are atoms composed of protons and neutrons. So really when we talk about atomic structure, we're talking about protons, neutrons, atomic mass, atomic number. So notice this little chart right here. You'll see the atomic number in the lower left and the atomic mass up in the right. So hydrogen could be 1 and 1, could be 1 and 2, helium 2 and 3, 2 and 4, and so on. We're just going through the first, well, let's see, we've got 12 elements here, I believe: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, and magnesium. And we're showing them with the different possible masses they have. They're different isotopes. So notice that the challenge is to mark the isotopes that match the challenge question. So can you learn about the components of atoms and isotopes? First, pick a hypothesis you'd like to test. So will atoms always have the same mass? Can they have two different masses, or can they have more than two masses? I'm just going to pick one at random to show you how it works. Let's go ahead and do this first one: equal protons and neutrons. To learn about how isotopes work and how protons and neutrons work, we give you little challenges. For example, here you're going to click on 9 different elements that have equal protons and neutrons. For example, H with a 1 and a 2, the 2 is the mass. That means it has 1 proton, that's the number, plus 1 extra neutron. Let's try the next one. Okay, helium, 2 protons, and a 4 means 2 extra neutrons. Let's click on something that we know isn't correct. Okay, you'll get a red bar, and you can always reset and start over again. So let's see if I go through these. And so there are 9 of these that have equal numbers of protons and neutrons. And you'll probably start to figure out a trend there. Now you've got 7 different challenges, okay? Each challenge you're going to save to your box right here. And once you've saved them all and gotten all correct green bars, then you can move on and do your evaluate and write up your lab report. So learn about the components of atoms and isotopes in this Smart Science Lab about atomic structure.